Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to send GIF or GIFs in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the message icon from the top right corner. Search for the person whom you want to send GIFs or select the person with whom you chat earlier. Tap on the GIF icon. Now select the GIF which you want to send. That's it. In this way you can send GIFs or GIF in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.